The Crypto Markets Update is presented by Grayscale, the world's largest digital currency asset manager.
Time for a quick live look at Bitcoin. The CoinDesk Bitcoin price XBX index right now trading at $36,654. Bitcoin is up about 2.3% over the past 24 hours. And the CoinDesk Ether price ETX index right now at 2838. ETH is up over 5% on the day. And joining us now to discuss the crypto markets is Nischal Shetty, CEO of India's largest crypto exchange, WazirX. Welcome, Nischal.
Hey, thanks for having me here.
So, I mentioned this a little bit before, but some pronounced that Bitcoin should be past $40,000 on Monday based on this El Salvador news, but we're seeing a bit of lack of enthusiasm in the market. So what are your thoughts on what's going on?
I think in a way, it also shows how stronger Bitcoin is and how it's probably not completely going to be news-based in terms of price movements. While we've not seen a massive jump, I think I see that as a positive news in the sense that just news is not going to move the prices. You'll have to look at what happens in terms of adoption, and I think for that's quite a long way forward for even El Salvador to finally adopt Bitcoin and start transactions. And once you start hearing about the transaction sizes in the country and the number of people transacting, I think that's when eventually the prices should start moving upwards.
So now looking at the current market, we see the volumes are fairly low right now, and that's not just in spots and options. So what's going wrong? I mean, what happened? Is there just it's not just about price. Is there just a lack of money wanting to go into crypto at all?
I think the first half of the year, if you think about it, it's been really active for the crypto markets, and I sort of think that people are probably taking a break from all the madness that has been happening from the last 6 months, and probably want to place a finger on what's going to be that bottom for Bitcoin. And if you look at, even though there's not a lot of movement in the market right now, the prices still seem to be really strong. Bitcoin at $36,000, I don't think it's that bad considering what the prices were in the early first half of 2020. So I guess the next couple of months is going to be probably in this similar zone, and then from there I expect the markets to move.
Good morning, welcome back. What is the current mood in India right now? India always seems to be a bit of a roller coaster when it comes to crypto regulations. There's always news of the fears of a ban, and then there's not a ban. But what's happening right now?
I think 2021 has been sort of really good for India in the sense that we've heard our leaders talk positively about the whole crypto sector. We've even gone from last year where there were talks of a ban to this year where our leaders have said that India would take a calibrated approach towards regulating crypto assets in the nation. Recently, there was a news that instead of looking at crypto as a pure currency, India is looking at it as an asset class. And I think that's a very important distinction and classification. Because when you think of currency, the law get a little against Bitcoin. But if you look at it as an asset class, there seems to be more breathing space for the innovation to continue in the country. So I would say the last 6 months have been pretty good compared to 2018 where we had a banking ban, and then 2019 we had a draft bill which spoke about a ban. In comparison to that, this year has been pretty good for India.
So Nischal, what currencies right now are popular on WazirX besides Bitcoin and Ether?
I think Matic, one of the more popular Indian projects, pretty popular. Then it's sort of, there's always a flavor of the month. It was Dogecoin for the last 3 months. And in between, you had the SHIB token. And then Tron is pretty popular. We have WRX, which is our own native token that's popular because people use it for trading discounts. It just goes all over. It more or less resonates with what the global trends are.